Oh yeah! Heck yeah!
That thing's gone.
Yeah, he swallowed it.
The biggies.
Yes. Ooh, something not far from. All right, we're rolling.
Now we're not. Quit biting.
Have no fear, I'll get them going. There we go.
There you go. Oh, nice.
Look at how, man, look at that. I'm just amazed at how I can see the fish.
10 feet down.
Look at that. That is beautiful. Is that beautiful? Is that
I
beautiful?
love that, man.
He's not very big, but daggone it, man. Look at that fish in that water.
Keep 11 inch. 11 inch fish.
Catching too many big fish, my man.
Big fish, you be throwing back 11 inches. Stop it, man.
That fish will make probably 10, if 10.
Stop it. That's 11 inch fish, man.
All right, it's an 11 incher. But they're just little compared. Man, y'all wait till y'all come down home.
Oh yeah, yours is little compared to mine.
Wait until they come. Wait until y'all come down home.
Small. My mom was a school teacher.
Boy, look at him, man. 6 foot down is a herd of them, man. Okay.
Oh, I seen that. He knocked far from that. I seen it. There you go.
Reels me.
Man, look at that fish down. That's a good one too. That's a good fish.
And he just swam away. What happened? Oh, is that one of them?
Screwed up.
Yeah, I don't like that. Bind it up on him right when he had the fish.
It just reels and it goes backwards. It's
Oh, the lock doesn't stay locked on it. Yeah.
The gears are stripped on or something. It's a good fish.
Yeah.
So, you looked at us like, what was that all about?
Hey, oh, I don't want it there, man. You just want to kill something.
I'm gonna kill one. I'm gonna kill one.
Oh, terrible.
I heard about this one.
Y'all are terrible.
I'll kill something, man. I'm hungry.
Y'all are terrible.
You got a big old giant bait on there. Too. You see that bait?
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Oh, get him for it.
Did you see that?
Yeah, he just sat down on it hard, didn't he?
Exactly. No thump or nothing. You're just there.
Just pulling down.
Oh, she wrote.
Oh, he got away, huh? He's escaping.
Yeah, I got other places. I got other rough calls out here I know of. I want one that's going to produce.
Oh yeah, it's nicer.
Come out of here, baby. Just sat on it real slow. He didn't. The first one or two thumped the fire out of it. That one didn't. He just sat on it. He just sat down a little bit, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna take a look at
Where my bean thing is.
Oh,
You dog, you.
You put the box top.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Am I allowed to keep a couple fish a day?
You keep as many as you want.
Not as many as I want. I'm carried away with me. I just some few.
Yeah.
Well, I don't even know if I wanted that many. Just, you know, I don't even have anything to put them in. I put them in my pocket.
Oh, that paw comes up high, dude.
Yeah, it's a big tree.
I mean, it's like it's standing straight up.
Whenever the water was about 3 or 5 feet down, me and Tuck came out here. Like, where's that tree? Where's that tree? Went by and it's like this far into the water. Just something.
Really?
Like, ooh, you can see it big.
Come out of there.
We looked and looked and looked.
Look at that jig.
Big motor.
I'm sorry, I'm fishing. You just look at the jig all you want. Yeah. You keep looking at the jig. I'm gonna watch the water and the stop it.
You feeling for a thump, huh?
Oh,
You're
yeah,
not
well,
watching
Dad just
anything.
sat on it again. Just sat down. Look at the eggs in that fish.
Yeah, still got
She's full
eggs.
of
She's
eggs.
still packing.
Yeah, she is. And I mean full.
Yeah.
Ain't a little eggs. That's full of eggs.
Yep.
He said a bunch of them were like that here. He said a lot of them just hadn't done it yet.
What's the water temp?
80, I think.
Really?
It's 75.
75.
Oh, yeah, he said it was just in the like mid 70s. So they're still
Not
spawning.
85.
Probably throw over there by the bank on a float. Probably catch a man.
This is how I fish though, even during the spawn. I mean, you can have spawning grounds right there, but just
Catch
right
them
out.
off, yeah.
Dude,
Catch bigger fish.
yes sir, you get the females.
Smack her like that. Put her out of her misery in a hurry, didn't they? Right on the head. That hurt her. I think she's dead now. Just about. Or broke or something. But that was the same thing. I just picked it up. It was on there. I was feeling bites when we first rolled up here.
Yeah.
But now I'm.
Oh, the first two I hit, they nailed the jig.
Yeah, this last 2 or 3 here, they just sat down on it. They're just, I pick it up and they're on it.
Usually the way it worked, I mean, you first pull up, you get the aggressive fish. Exactly, yeah.
Then the ones that are down there minding their own business.
Really? Do I need to change colors?
I don't know. He just asked me to test this bait, and I'm testing it. Seems to be testing out well. I'm not keeping this.
Yeah, that's the way that one was that I caught. I mean,
I'm
just
supposed to be clicking. Did we click on that
thin.
last one? Did anybody click on that last one?
Where's
I think
it at?
that was number 5. Is there 5 in there now?
I guess.
I want that 3 point something. Doesn't have to be the lake record. It could just be a 3 point something. But if it was a 5 now, that would be an eye opener.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're 15 foot of water. I'm mean, maybe 12 down. 5 in the box right now, buddy.
Yeah, it's 5.
Okay. Well, because I don't think anybody hit the clicker on the last one. I don't know where
You caught it.
I don't know where, the problem is I don't know where the clicker. It ain't that I don't know where the clicker, I don't know where it is.
All right, 10 foot's not working for me.
I was about 12, I think, maybe 10 to 12. I had it measured on the first fish at about 10, maybe 12. And then after that, I just was kind of doing about the same thing, you know, just pitch out that much line, let it fall back. But they're biting it vertical.
All right, they done stopped on the big baits. I'm going small.
Yeah.
Drop a 30-second down there. No, you good, you good. I'm taking this one.
That big long one back here. Get the double header out.
Double header.
Going for the double blends.
Put a little juice on there.
He's got the carrot.
Yeah, that's what I ended on.
Enough of this. Let me get down there with some serious bait.
That's what I ended on yesterday or the other day.
That carrot a lot of times will just do it.
Yeah.
Know? It just will.
When nothing else will.
There's something about it. It's visible. It does something. It's aggravating. It looks like a brand. I don't know what. Looks like a crawdad. Looks like something.
I hate that bait.
Yeah, that's what it is. I hate that bait. Get out of my way.
It's ugly.
Okay.
Yeah, if we don't get it by here in just a couple minutes, we're out of here. We've got too many places to go. Too many other places before the wind kicks up. Actually, should be really.
Oh, there he is. Oh, Fred. Fred, come on, Fred. They got the carrot action going on.
There's
Yeah,
plenty
baby.
of fish down there. Just gotta
Yeah, the keeper.
downsize, and that ain't no keeper mark, dude.
That's 11.
Come on, dude.
You were just
Really?
mad about this 11-inch fish thing. Oh, little keeper. Stop it. It's 11 inches, man.
That little bitty thing, dude. Come on, man.
11-inch fish. Stop it, man. Just not right. Be throwing back 11 inch. Oh, we want to break your thing. Oh, I'm down there. We'll keep that. What's staying in Houston. Houston, you got a problem. Go to a series, it's making me feel bad now.
Those are some small fish though.
Hey,
Big 11 inches. Let me change what I'm saying. They're not thick. Does that sound better? I seen him thump that line. He thumped far from it.
Did he really knock it?
I never felt it, but I seen the line. Poof.
Oh yeah, you seen the line jump. I love.
Yeah, I got a lot of slack in there,
like
so.
that line jump thing. That makes my day. Well, I done finally found a tree limb down there. Just didn't find a crappie that was living on it.
Probably ought to go tandem. I can't even feel my bait. Can't feel it. There we go.
He's a runner. Oh, look at him. Another one of them 11.
That might be a better fish.
Blackie, yeah, baby. Look at
That's a better
You got the
fish.
record right there.
Boom, give me that lake record 5. Boom. Stop it. I told you.
Look at this. It's so far down. It's in his
Just
gill.
gone. Them blackies seem to hate
Hey,
that.
I got a tool for that.
Oh, you do?
Yes, sir. Let me show you.
Oh, that's right.
Got it from Thermocline.
Pretty fish, huh?
Yeah.
Ain't real thick though. That's what I was telling you about these. They're nice.
This is
fish.
thicker than the ones we was catching over there the other day.
Yeah, but they just don't have that. You know, I don't know. Some of them just got that real super thickness.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't know where.
Might be. I don't think I'm gonna be. I may have to use a knife or something. Oh, these scissors might work. If you don't mind me using them.
Still ain't coming out.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
It's a long thing like this. This is aluminum. It goes down to a point and got like a little
Curl.
cut in it.
Notch it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then you push it all the way down there. You put the where the notch at. Like here's the hook. You put the notch over it and you just push the hook down.
Yeah.
Makes it a lot easier. But
Look at how bright that orange is.
4 feet, man.
5. Yeah, 4 or 5. Look, I still can see it.
Yep. How deep were you?
Probably 10 foot. Hooked up?
A whale. Yeah, I'll tell you, Monday or Tuesday.
Oh yeah! Heck yeah! Nice! Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There, that's the best fish right there. Big fish. Hooked up?
Eggs in that girl. You see the eggs in her?
Uh-huh.
She got eggs for sure.
There we go. That's a good fish there. Now that's a good fish. Look at that being in that's what the B&Ms look like. It's record. We're going. I'm scared to mess with my depth. That may not be a crappie. If it is, it's a slab.
If it's a yellow cat, we'll fillet him.
Oh! That's a bass.
That's a drum.
A drum.
You drum.
You stupid thing, you. And it's a good one too, though.
Fillet him.
Look at that.
Fillet him.
yeah, if he's a keeper, I've been.
You want it?
Fillet him all day long, man.
Really?
We'll fillet him.
I mean, he knocked fire from that jig. Undercover bass man. This one's for you, buddy.
Darn it, everybody's catching fish. I gotta get busy. We got a big whale on. Look at this. Another big crappie coming.
Is that a crappie? Oh, yeah. I don't want to mess with my depth. Heck yeah. That fish, hey, he nailed that jig.
That little bird did fire out of his head. That's the fish right there, guys. I don't know what it is, but that jig's gone.
Yeah, he swallowed it. Oh, you little dog, you.
Gone. Gone.
That's a better fish. What was it, 11, maybe? I'm fishing, buddy. Really?
Looks like it. Thank God our guide knows where the fish are. Oh, look at that. Another whale. He's a whale killer.
Oh,
man.
yeah. That's beautiful there. Hey, I got to give you some more on that one. That's nice. Both of them, actually.
Get a little mini by
If you don't hook me.
Minis by the biggies.
Yes. Ooh, something knocked fire from that one.
Yeah, I'm eating it. Whoa, whoa,
Look at
whoa, we're raining crappie, baby. Raining.
Check that out.
It's raining. I'm going to do this.
Put some ice over top of them.
I'll keep those guys settled down a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, Fred, down there, that's crappie. Yeah,
Lilin.
we got a bucket now coming in.
Lilin.
Going back to the levee. Another 11 incher. Going back.
Yeah, we can. Let's catch big fish.
I don't know. I don't think it's really good.
No, he
I'm
ain't.
kidding. I got a big fish. Gotta go see about it.
You may have had a big fish. Oh, no, you still got it. There you go.
I kind of thought it was a big fish. Felt like it. I thought I had to. I picked it up to pull it away from.
Felt weight.
I don't know. I'm gonna set the hook. Right. That might be one of the ones where I need to set the hook.
That's a white crappie. Oh yeah.
They're down there.
Oh yeah.
I think we can just probably just drift around here.
Yeah. So with the whatever the heck that big fish was over there, there may be several of them hidden shad, and they're just down there. So well, we'll just let them do the work, and we'll get the ones that are dying.
All these shad that are falling in our face.
Right.
Man. I don't know what's going on up there, but they're ding-dongs. Look at this.
Yeah.
Right. I'm just sitting down here getting all filled up, and I ain't having to work at it. Crappie are big on that.
Oh yeah.
Sitting down there and just picking off what's left over, and like, why would I want to run around? Does seem like they're a little ahead of us though, and it may be the shadow of the boat thing. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the ones that get over here, maybe we're pushing them forward.
And again, they may be underneath the boat.
Yeah.
Enjoying the trip.
Exactly.
You don't know.
Don't move. Stay right there.
No, I'll ease.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he just grabbing all the big ones. I get in the.
Give me these kind of fives.
Little old bit in.
Were you down on the bottom, brother?
Yeah, I went on the bottom and I was rolling it up. Bam!
Yeah, that's the same thing. When I felt the structure as soon as I come up.
I just felt weight. You open that cooler, bro? I don't think I can measure it.
I think there's a lot of brim right there too, because I can feel them tick, 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 tick. There you go. Mm-hmm. Daggone good one.
And you're right. In Texas, right? He was just. I picked it up and he was on there. I didn't ever feel no bite.
Yeah, I didn't. They're not thumping it.
A lot of them down there rat-tatting it. You know what I'm saying? Even at that little. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Nah, little one.
Got a blackie.
That ain't no 11 inches. That ain't 11 inches.
Let me see.
That's a
I bet you it's 10.
9.5 inch fish. 9 what's that? Weatherford Special. Yeah, 9 and 15/16. Yeah, let them grow up. Thicken up. Now that's a keeper there. Maybe. Oh yeah, that'll be. Ooh, well he was. I'm hitting the camera and. Maybe. I don't know. I just I had to let out a bunch of string a while ago to get bit. I wouldn't get bit.
Did you do it? Oh, fish. Yeah, baby. Good one too. Look at that. There he is. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
Blackie.
Nice. nice black.
A little 9 3/4.
Stop it with the 9 3/4. At least look at the tape measure before you throw all these 9 3/4 back. I was wanting to keep a few fish. It looks like he's pushing 11 inches to me. Oh, that's a solid one. Fred, you've done rubbed off on me, man.
It happens, brother. That's from not letting them little ones go. The big ones saying, "Oh, you want to keep the little ones, huh?"
I see how you are.
Yeah. Catch a little one, let me go.
Save a couple's life.
You know, cut the brother some slack, man.
There you go.
Go after them little 10-inchers, leave me be.
Yeah.
Stop it. That's wrong.
Save a crappie's life, man. Take one of them little punks.
Yeah.
You know, them younger generation.
Oh, you little dog, you. He knocked fire from that one. That was probably a small crappie, though. He hit it hard.
Yeah, that one I just had, he didn't hit it very hard. He was just on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the better fish are pretty much just holding it.
I was like, what was it? Something? I don't know. I looked over that way and I looked back. It was just all laying limp on the water, right?
How about that? Just drop it down there and reel up with a big old slab on there.
Oh, yeah.
The big old donkey on there.
Donkey dog.
What Ken call him?
That's about as big as that burrito.
What Ken? He's really probably only about 11 and a half. What Ken call him?
Oh, big butt crappie?
Big booty crappie.
Big booty.
Yes. Yeah, BBC's, big booty crappie.
I don't know what that meant. I'm like, I don't know what was that? I thought it was Denver crappie. Oh, I'm messing with you too? You need a little schooling down there.
You got orange on?
I do. But I got bit on the nibble. But I haven't been bit since. You went right to the bottom and picked it up, you said?
Yeah. Well, I went down until it stopped. I don't know if the fish picked it up before it made it to the bottom or what. But as soon as I put tension on it, it started moving. So I said, oh, it's a fish. I can't say it was the bottom.
It's just like Todd was saying, though. You just got to pick off the ones that want to cooperate.
There we go.
Oh, there it is.
Finally.
Fred's got the cooperation with him. Oh, there it is.
I done took their roof off.
He got the cooperation button.
With zebras on it.
Has it got them on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what a zebra looks like. Oh, look at that. There's a bunch down there.
Look at that. Let me see one of them things. I never got to see one.
Looks like a zebra. That's exactly what it looks like.
Not
yeah,
good.
can that camera pick that up?
Interesting. And do they open up?
Quite sure they do. It's a little muscle,
Yeah.
same as a mussel.
Yeah. Isn't that interesting? They look just
They
like
lay a jillion of eggs.
Yeah. My first time ever seeing it. There you go.
I had a fish on there. I was playing with a zebra mussel.
Well, you had a fish.
Released it, did